Hi everybody, I'm Tahreen and today we are back with talking about more devices. We are going to be discussing about the Wacom INTUOS Small Black, which is also a very nice beginner's graphics tablet, as you can see.
Multimedia kingdom, passion to creation, passion for love, প্রযুক্তি পণ্য এখানেই সব আঁকা লেখা দেখা শেখা sounds and rhythm, arts and music's our kingdom, multimedia kingdom, multimedia kingdom, multimedia kingdom.
এইটা আমরা ওয়ার্কিং এরিয়া পাবো প্রায় 6 inches into 3.7 inches around, which makes it pretty feasible for those of you who want to do artwork. And the better thing about this Wacom INTUOS is that এটার সাথে দুইটা সফটওয়্যার আসে, so those of you who are interested in photography, editing, etc., you can get the Corel Aftershot with it. And those of you who just want to do art and illustration, তোমরা পাবা Corel Painter এটার সাথে essentials যেটা. So you get 2 free softwares along with it. So ওইটার ঝামেলাটা একটু চলে যায় যে কে অ্যাকচুয়ালি কোন সফটওয়্যারটা নিবা etc. আর এটা usually you cannot really access it with any mobile devices, and এটার wireless supportটা ওরকম নাই, so you have to attach it through wire with another device, for example your desktop or your laptop. But I guess that's pretty nice because আমাদের কাছে more or less সবার কাছেই ল্যাপটপ আর ডেস্কটপ থাকে, and most people prefer drawing on a bigger wider screen anyway. এটার pen pressureটা 4096, which makes it pretty nice according to me. আর Wacom-এর usually pen-এর grips-গুলো অনেক ভালো হয়, so there's that. As you can see, this is an intact product, so if you follow the links or if you follow the images that are attached with the video, you can find what's exactly inside this box. And if you want to avail this device, then you can directly go to Multimedia Kingdom's website, যেখানে তোমরা দুইটা অফার পাবে, একটা হচ্ছে তোমাদের প্রি-অর্ডার বেসিসে আর একটা রেডি স্টক বেসিসে। আর একটু তোমার প্রাইসের ভ্যারিয়েশনস থাকে because there are more buyers now, so রেডি স্টকে তোমরা নাও পেতে পারো, but I recommend that if you guys pre-order it, it would be more feasible for you because there might be a little bit of discounts for you as well. So there's that, which makes it really nice as well. And plus ready stock থেকে নিলেও তোমরা একদম intact direct productটাই পাচ্ছ, so that's really great. But those of you who prefer an emergency purchase, তোমরা ready stock থেকে কিনতে পারো if it's available. So you can contact Multimedia Kingdom's website right now if you want to avail this device. So down below you will find the links of Multimedia Kingdom's social media pages and links, and আমাদের সাথে Facebook, Instagram, etc. তে তোমরা connected থাকলে you will get to know more about the devices that we have, and we will discuss more devices and help you choose which device is more proper for you. And along with that, please তোমরা তোমাদের comments, তোমাদের suggestions বা তোমাদের কোনো questions থাকলে অবশ্যই comment করবে, and let us know how we can help you and how we can improve better. So thank you so much for staying with us today, and until next time.
Multimedia kingdom.